today we are doing my first ever Get Ready With Me video. I'm so excited because this weekend I'm heading out to Coachella Festival here in California, and I thought I would show you how I'm getting ready. The most important things for me are tanning, bikinis, and outfits. I mean, what else do you need really for Coachella? So I'm gonna show you everything I'm bringing, showing you my tanning routine, some of the best bikinis that I found, how to incorporate them into outfits because I'm gonna be hitting a bunch of pool parties. And the best part is I'm giving away 3 bikinis at the end of this video. So make sure you stick around. If you're excited to check it out, sweat the thumbs up, give it a little click, and let's go into my closet. Okay, so I take packing very seriously. If you guys follow me on Instagram and my stories, anytime I go on a big trip, I get this little rack, which I got at Target. It's really cheap. It's kind of falling apart, but that's okay. It still does the job. And I just lay out all the outfits I'm gonna be wearing. Sort of, there we go. So I'm gonna show you the bikinis first because this is a brand new spring line from Beach Babe Swimwear, which is my favorite swimwear. Whether you have a big chest or a little chest, they have tops that fit you so well, and the designs are super cute. So I'm gonna show you kind of the new line and the looks that she has. And then again, 3 of you are gonna win $100, $150 actually, shopping spree on her site. So you can get like one, probably even more than one bikini, which is really cool. Okay, so this is one of my absolute favorites from the line. It is so adorable. It has these little off the shoulder sleeves. It just ties in the back with a little detail of the knot at the front, which I love, little braid going up it and tassels. So cute. And then these bottoms with the little crisscross on the hips. A little bit cheeky on the back side, so be warned, but she does have different cuts and styles that you can get as well. And I just love that floral print, but it's not like overdone. It's perfect, it's so cute. Oh, there's so many. Okay, let's stick with the florals. These bottoms with a slit, I love that on the hip. So again, even if you're a little bit hippie, it works for you because you can kind of bring them up a little bit higher, which makes you look like you have a really great booty. And then this top style is one of my absolute favorites, especially having a bigger chest because it's really cute. It has the cross. Triangle tops work really well on me, but it also is like a little covering. So you get a little bit of that like sexy top with a cross, but you don't feel like you're like all the way out there, which is really nice. And it has good support too. It's really cute. And like the back, so adorable. Little cage on the back. And then this one, look at this rib on it. It is so rad. I absolutely love this color, probably because it makes my eyes pop like crazy since they're really green. And then this top is so cute, just with some shorts on even. If you don't want to wear the whole bikini, it has that little knot in the front. And it's almost like a really comfy sports bra, but cuter. All right, and then I have some I'm gonna put with the outfits for you guys. But this one is a crisscross, so the back is like this beautiful crochet almost in the back. And then it wraps around, crisscrosses, and ties with the tassels, which is really cute. And the bottoms, again, just simple, but the material is so soft and it doesn't squeeze you. You know when you put on a bottom and you're like, ugh, like it's squeezing a little too tight, you feel like you're popping out everywhere? This doesn't happen. It's really nice and soft and has like a thickness that just helps everything like stay where it's supposed to stay. And then the last one that I'm kind of obsessed with right now, just because the color is so adorable, is this blue one with the floral again. So it has those same little strings cut out on the side, 3 of them. It's a little bit smaller of a bottom for sure, so maybe like European vacation, really good for you. And then the top, that triangle again, but it has the double strings, gives you a little bit more design and more support. And then the double strings on the top as well. So instead of just a basic triangle top, you have that detail, and that color is just so beautiful and perfect for spring. So I get when you hear Coachella, you're like, why bikinis? Like, isn't it on a polo field or something? But every time I go out to Coachella, I'll hit the festival for a little bit, but I love going to all the events. There are always huge parties out there at these beautiful homes that have amazing pools. So I end up being in a bikini pretty much the entire weekend, not only at the house we're staying at, but at those parties. So for me, I try to incorporate the bikinis into my outfits because you never know when you're gonna have to like take it off and jump in a pool. So now that you saw the bikinis, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna kind of weave them into my looks for the weekend. Of course, there are gonna be times where I'm not wearing a bikini, but there's really fun ways that you can make them work with your Coachella looks and still be totally on trend. So I'm gonna show you guys that now. All right, so outfit 1, it's a bikini top, which is the best. So you just put a little kimono over it. I got my boots on, cut off shorts, a little like necklace situation. And this is I like would love to be the girl who like decks out in crazy jewelry. It's just not me. So a little more simple, but I just love this look. And if I want to at any point, you have the cute back. So if you want to just ditch the kimono, whether you're gonna go in the pool or not, if it just gets like toasty, you still have like a total Coachella appropriate outfit, and that detailing is just so cute. Outfit 2. So this is a little snap front top from Beach Babe Swimwear. Super cute, nice and supportive, which I like covering. These boots are just fab. Skirt and belt were Forever 21, so like I think the belt was like $10 probably. And then cute little Rebecca Minkoff backpack, because you need a backpack. And if you want to get real crazy, if it's real hot, we add the hat. And then if you're ready to jump in the pool, you can ditch it all and have a bikini on, which is perfect. And the final look, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so obsessed with this top. It is so cute. It's so cute. And you know, there's something about a bathing suit versus like a bralette or even a t-shirt that's just so much more comfortable. And if you're sweaty, like this girl, it really helps you avoid it. So cute little off the shoulder, lace up tie, knots in the back. How adorable. So perfect. And then if you wear it all day and you're like going to the night concerts or anything, you throw on a little jacket, like a little leather jacket, and you're good to go. But it's just so nice to be able to like have one outfit that has so many different uses out of it. How cute, right? I got this belt as a gift and I'm totally obsessed with it. I don't totally remember who makes it though, so I will find out and I'll put the link below for you guys. But I just love this whole look right here. If you guys like it, comment below, let me know your thoughts on it, but especially this bikini top because it's everything. Now I'm gonna show you my tanning routine because I have one layer on right now I'm gonna show you guys, but I'm gonna do another layer before we go to Coachella. So I'm gonna show you exactly what I do to get a perfect even tan so you don't end up with marks on your hands or streaks anywhere else, using Loving Tan, which if you follow me on Instagram, you know is the only thing I'll use. All right, so tanning makes me super happy. I don't know, it's just like if I'm ever feeling off or weird, and this might sound so crazy, but if I put on a little bit of tan, I just feel better. And you know what they say, until you can tone it, tan it. But seriously, it really does make a difference. It just kind of gives you that extra little boost of confidence that you need, and I just love it. So I'm gonna show you my full routine and how simple it is. I'm gonna have a ton of different outfits besides just bikinis that I'm wearing throughout our time at Coachella, so make sure you're following on Instagram because I'm gonna be sharing everything over there. So I use Loving Tan. This is my absolute favorite. They just started selling it at Ulta, which is really awesome. So you can buy it there or directly just on Loving Tan official. You can get all their stuff. And this is my absolute favorite. So it's a 2-hour express. I don't know about you, but I remember forever using tanners where you'd have to wait like 8 hours before you could even sweat, which being a fitness person is very hard to do. This one only takes 2 hours and then you can fully shower and take it off and you have a beautiful tan. So I'm gonna show you the difference between just no tan at all, like white for weeks, versus one layer, and then I'm gonna do another layer of the tan too. But the 2-hour express comes with this awesome little mitt. So all I do is make sure I've exfoliated my body really well first. So whether I have old tanner on or I just am feeling a little bit dry, take an exfoliator and just make sure you get in the shower or put some coconut oil first and then really exfoliate just to get any of that dead skin off so that you have fresh skin to put your tan on so you don't get any of those streaks or like crunchy look that no one likes. Then I'll take the tanner and put it on the mitt. And I usually will do about 4 or 5 pumps, and I like to start on my legs. So when I do my legs, I just do really nice big circles. Sometimes I'll do like longer streaks up, but I do these big circles to really make sure it just goes across every inch of my legs, getting into like the little nooks and crannies around your ankle, down onto the feet. So making sure that I kind of bend my toes so I get like in the knuckle area and in between the toes slightly, all the way down to the bottom of my foot, working around the ankle to really get a nice even tan. Then I'll take it with a wide palm and move it up over my knee. Again, really just making sure to give it a nice even coat, not too much on the knee because you don't want it to get really dark or brown. And if your knees are really dry, I like to even put a little bit of lotion on them before I start so that it doesn't soak up too much of the tan. And then I'll take those big circular motions again up my thigh and around to the booty. I usually do a little extra tan on my booty area, especially if I know I'm gonna be in a bikini because we just want it to look nice and smooth and really brown. So lots of tan, just circular motions, getting on the upper thigh, around the side. And then I will go to my arms. So when I do my arms, again, look for those dry spots like your elbows and your knees. If it feels really dry, a tiny bit of lotion, not too much, right on the elbow. Otherwise, I start with those pumps and I work down my arm. So one big sweeping stroke down the arm first, and then I kind of start working into those circles. Again, really lifting my arm up, making sure I get into the armpit, down into the side so that there isn't anything that's left white, because the last thing you want to do is be like, hey, and you look all tan and beautiful and then you just have like white underarm. So I do a little bit lighter there, circular motions, again, getting everywhere. And the hands are actually super easy. I feel like people get really nervous about hands because you don't want dark underhands and you don't want like streaky knuckles. But for me, it's so simple, and I think it's the tanner, because I've used pretty much every other kind. I've always had issues, but I've never had issues with loving tan. So I put the tan, just like one pump on my hand, and I'll kind of dab it together so it's a little bit more spread out through the mitt. And then I just go over the hand, and with my fingers that are in the mitt, I kind of like grip my fingers as I'm going over them to make sure I get in all of those little spots over the knuckles and through, so it really hits it like a real tan would. So if your hand was out in the sun, it would hit the top and kind of in between the fingers just slightly. That's exactly what you get along the side of the thumb, and then back up the arm. Then I'll work into the belly, I'll get my chest, and the last part I do is my back. And if you are by yourself, Loving Tan has got you, because they have this really nifty tool that you can just pump the stuff onto, you put it behind you and you rub it around, and you totally can get your back super evenly. Honestly, I usually make Ryan help me with it because he's here. So if you can have someone help you, it just makes sure you get even more of an even coat. But the tool definitely helps if you're riding solo and you want to get a nice even tan on your back. I do also do my face, which I think some people are hit or miss. Yeah, you can put makeup on and that can like be bronzed, but I just, again, I feel better, and then I don't feel like I need as much makeup when my face has a little bit of a tan. So I'll put 1 or 2 pumps, usually just one, in the mitt, dab it together again, spread it out, and I'll go over my entire face, so like up the neck in big sweeping strokes and little circles over my whole face, a little into my ears, on like my little like hairline here. And then I do like a super secret trick. Then I'll add a little bit more, and I actually will go back over just the areas that I would normally contour with like makeup, but I do it with a tan. So you kind of have like a natural contour. I just started doing this, I'm really liking it, so little pro tip. And I'll just like do it right in my hairline up here, along my cheekbones where you normally contour, and then a little bit on the jawline. Just a tiny bit extra, but it really does make a difference. And so you can like wake up and feel fresh, and like you don't even have to put makeup on, or if you do, you can just do a little bit lighter. So then after 2 hours or however long I want to wait, I shower off, get rid of it, and I have a beautiful bronze tan, so I can feel confident in anything I'm wearing, bikinis, clothes, whatever it is. And then I'm going to be bringing the bronze shimmer with me, and it's just a shimmer that you can put on your clothes so you get like extra tan and can feel like really great, especially for those bikinis. And speaking of, you guys, I almost forgot to tell you how you can win a $150 shopping spree to Beach Babe. I'm so excited for you because you are going to love their bikinis. So 3 of you girls will win a $150 shopping spree. All you have to do is follow Beach Babe Swimwear on Instagram. I'll put the link below so you can head right over to there. Comment below with your favorite bikini from this line, and I'll pick 3 of you next week to win. And if you're not already, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, because I'm going to be doing a vlog at Coachella showing my weekend routine, how I'm staying fit and healthy while I'm away, and everything we're doing out there. You don't want to miss it. And don't forget, good things come to those who sweat. So I'll see you guys next week for another awesome workout. Bye.